up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things MoElle. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing our last hair product empties of 2022. I did post my skincare, makeup, body care, fragrance empties a few days ago. So if you haven't caught that video, I will be sure to leave it linked so that you can catch it. Today is going to be all about my empty hair products. So if you are interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. But of course, if you have not already, we would love to have you as part of the MoElle-ian fam. So take a moment and go down below and hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it, okay? So the first empty is actually not like a topical hair product. It is a hair vitamin. And this is from Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. We love us some Auntie Tab. This is their biotin hair vitamin gummies for longer, stronger, healthier hair. Now the brand was gracious enough to send me these gummies. These are vegan strawberry gummies, and they sent me a 30-day supply, which is 60 vitamins. You're supposed to take 2 a day. They sent me this along with their hair oil, which I'm going to talk about in another video that's coming up pretty soon. First of all, I love the taste of these. They're strawberry flavored, but you know how some gummies, and not just hair gummies, but just any kind of vitamin in general that's a gummy, sometimes you can tell that it's a vitamin because it has that like medicine-y taste to it, or like a weird aftertaste. These are not like that at all. These taste like just a regular fruit snack. Hair growth is always tricky to kind of attribute to one product because I use a lot of different products that can contribute to hair growth. So although my hair has been growing since I've been using these, I can't 100% say that it's just because of these gummies. However, one thing that I have noticed since taking these gummies is that my nails, my natural nails, now these of course are nail extensions and I have a polygel overlay over them, but my natural nails are a lot stronger since using these. They don't break off as easily. I have very thin nails naturally, and they're easy to just snag on things and break off, which is why I typically will wear a nail extension or a press on or something, because my nails are just very weak. But since starting these vitamins and I have finished them, I could definitely tell a difference in the health of my nails. So the vitamins work. As far as the pricing, these are now sold in Ulta along with the hair oil, as well as her sweet potato pie collection that just launched now in Ulta, so you can pick these up there. They do retail for $25, so you might feel like that's kind of steep for a vitamin, but I really do think that they work. And after I finish the hair vitamin that I'm currently taking, I think I might pick these back up just to really like see how well they actually do for hair growth. So stay tuned about that. The next product that I have as an empty is no stranger to my channel. I have raved about this product. It's a Pre-poo. The Pre-poo that I'm referring to is from Nature's Little Secret. This is their world famous fenugreek detangling Pre-poo. I just can't say enough about this product. It is an amazing product. It does exactly what I need to do and more. It has amazing ingredients. It has amazing slip. It feels really nice on the hair. Does a great job of getting those stubborn tangles out. For 12 ounces, I believe it's like $16. However, I do have a Nature's Little Secret coupon code. So if you're interested in picking up any Nature's Little Secret products, because honestly, I stand behind all of them. Like, there are very few brands that I can say that I have loved every single product that I've ever tried. Nature's Little Secret is just one of them. So you can use my code Monica15. There's a link in the description box. So highly, highly, highly recommend. This is going to always, I want to tell you, always be in my collection. I mean that because it's awesome. I actually don't have any shampoos for this round of empties, but I do have a detox, and it comes from Soultanicals. I've talked about this on my channel before. This is their Pumpkin Kaolin Healing Locks Deep Clean Curl Detox. It also has ingredients such as horsetail, sage, nettle, colt's foot, aloe juice, pumpkin kaolin clay, olive oil, apricot, pumpkin, bentonite. Lots of good stuff in this, and it does an amazing job of detoxing your curls. Every time I use this product, my curls are just so defined, so coily and springy and bouncy, and I can tell that's because I have had a really good detox after using this product. The only thing I don't like about this product is the smell, and if you are not a stranger to my channel, you know I just don't like the typical fall scent. So I don't like the smell of pumpkin and cinnamon and like things that you would traditionally associate with like the fall season. Ginger, like I don't love those smells. This smells like fall in a jar. So that's my only con, but I don't really care about the smell because it's not a lingering smell. So I love this product and I highly recommend it. Now, this is a seasonal product, and if you know anything about Soultanicals, then you know that there are certain products that are only available at certain times of the year. I do believe that they have already done their last fall restock of the year and of the season, so this will probably be one that you gotta wait until next fall to pick back up. But save this video, bookmark it, go write down the name, do whatever you need to do, because when this is back in stock, you need this. You know, detoxes are just very necessary, especially if you are somebody who wears like a lot of wash and goes and just use a lot of products. Detoxes are necessary. So when this is back in stock, get it and tell them MoElle sent you, okay? Okay. This next product is another product that I have talked about over and over again on my channel, and we have another empty bottle because I legit use this stuff regularly. But it is from Curls and Potions. This is from their blends, recipes from the vault, and this is the rice water and acai magic rinse. Nothing new here. Still love it, still recommend it, still think that you should get it. I'm gonna keep getting it, and that's just that on that. I have 2 more in my collection that I just recently got during their Black Friday sale. So one I just popped the top on, but yeah, this is going to be a forever repurchase for me. I just feel like this gives my deep conditioning sessions that extra. It's hydrating, it promotes hair growth, makes my hair shiny, it makes my hair soft. It's an all-around win. I have one more product from Curls and Potions that I have also talked about on my channel once before. This is also from their blends recipes from the vault. This is their Pink Power Hydrating Deep Conditioning Smoothie. This one, as well as this one, they have updated packaging, so the packaging doesn't look like this anymore. But my feelings about this deep conditioner are the same that I felt when I first used this. It did everything that I wanted a deep conditioner to do. It smelled really nice. It does have a little bit of slip, not a whole lot of slip to where I would solely detangle with this, but it does have slip. It has rose water, dragon fruit powder, and rose powder. It hydrates your hair, it reduces hair loss, strengthens hair, it helps to balance your pH of the hair, and it also conditions dry and damaged hair. I can definitely say I feel like it does all of those things. So I have one more of these in my stash, and I probably will repurchase it once I'm done with that one because it's a good deep conditioner to have. I have 3 other deep conditioners. The first one comes from Shea Moisture. This is an OG at this point. This is their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafura and Baobab oils. This was love at first try for me when I tried it pretty much when it first came out years ago. Since then, I have repurchased it 2 more times, and at the point of those repurchases, I don't think that anything had been done with the ingredients or reformulation or anything like that. So I have enjoyed using this deep conditioner. It does what it needs to do. I'm just not in a rush to repurchase this just because I have other things in my collection that serve the same purpose that I kind of want to, you know, get through those before going out and buying something else. So not in a rush to repurchase, but it is a good product. We got another deep conditioner. This one is from Camille Rose, and this one was from their exotic something around the world collection, but this one is their Berry Nectar Repair Cholesterol Treatment. This is an exotic blend for dry, brittle, and lifeless textured hair. I do feel that when I have used this, my hair has gone from being dry and brittle to just having like an instant reset. Cholesterol treatments are not something that I've done a lot of since being natural. I used to get cholesterol treatments a lot when I was relaxed. So when I saw this product, it immediately like piqued my interest. And so that's why I got it. And I actually really did like it. Is this a product that I feel like I just have to have in my collection? No. Does that mean that I'm never going to buy it again? No. But it's just not something that I need right now, I don't feel. So for right now, this is going to be a no as far as repurchasing. The last deep conditioner I have comes from The Main Choice. And this was honestly like back in the day before The Main Choice just started The Main Choicing. This was up there with my favorite deep conditioners from The Main Choice. And that is the Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Mask. This thing is so good. It's one of those masks that I would forget how good it was until I would just be like, you know what, it's been a while since I used that. Let me pick it back up. And every time it like blew me away every single time I used this. However, I did hear that, you know, this has been reformulated. So I do have one more of these in my stash that I'm currently working on. So after I finish that, it's highly unlikely that I will purchase this again after using up the second one that I have in my stash. All right, now let's move into some stylers. So I have 3 stylers. The first one comes from Soultanicals. I have also talked about this one on my channel. This is from their Sprout line. This is the Can't Believe It's Not Butter Sprout and Twist Out Cream. This line was released at Walmart, I believe in 2021, or was that 2020? Because I just love Soultanicals. I was just like, I had to get my hands on the entire collection. When it released at Walmart, it did what it was supposed to do. I feel like it gave me great results, great definition. The hold is not like, it doesn't have like the max hold for a twist out or a braid out, but it did give me decent hold and my hair looked good when using it. As far as the consistency, it has the typical twisting butter consistency. It did a good job of coating my strands. I don't think I ever got flaking with this product. So it's a decent twisting cream. Is it something that I'm in a rush to repurchase? No. Not necessarily because of the product, but just because I don't need any more twisting creams or braiding creams or anything like that right now. And if I were to need one, this would not be number 1 on my list to go out and purchase. This next gel though, oh honey, this is one of my favorites, like just of all time. And I have done a review of this gel. I've actually done 2 dedicated videos of this gel. And it's just good, and you just need it if you are a wash and go girl, or even if you are somebody who likes to use gels for twist outs, braid outs, or even to like just slick your hair into a ponytail. Not a super sleek ponytail, but it can work for slicking down hair too. And the product that I'm referring to is from African Pride. This is their Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel. This gel, it does everything I need it to do for a wash and go. Everything. It has the definition. My curls have movement. No flaking. My hair is not super duper hard, like feeling like it's about to break off. And this product is very cost effective. I believe I got this from my local beauty supply store. But you can pretty much get this wherever you find this Moisture Miracle line from African Pride. She is just that girl, and I highly, highly, highly recommend this one. I got another one in my collection. I'm not really touching her right now because I'm not wearing wash and goes right now. But once I do, it's me and you, boo. Okay. The last styler is a product that I use solely for when I'm doing braids. So I don't think that I've shared this on my channel. I'm not sure if I have, but I do know how to do various braid styles like box braids, knotless braids, faux locks, goddess locks. So whenever I braid somebody's hair, this is the styler that I am using. This is from Shine and Jam. This is their extra hold conditioning gel with honey. This is just the product for me. I have been doing braids since like around 2013. I was transitioning from relaxed to natural. I had a pixie cut. I was trying to grow my hair out too. So I did a lot of protective styling. That's when I taught myself how to do box braids. I was doing my own braids, and I've been using this ever since then. So we're talking about close to 10 years later, and this is still my go-to for when I'm either braiding my own hair or when I'm doing somebody else's hair. To me, it doesn't flake because I don't like gunk it up. I like put it on and then I comb through the hair so that the product is just not all gunked up together. But it lays those flyaways. It helps with making those parts crisp. And there's just not one better than this. I also like the purple one and the orange one. This one has a little more hold than the purple though, and then I think the orange one has the max hold. I hadn't tried the other ones yet. I'm gonna use this until they stop making it. It's good. The next product that I have actually made my favorites of 2021 list, and this is from Camille Rose. This is their Rejuva Drops Grow Back Drops. It has castor oil, peppermint oil, and saw palmetto. It's supposed to be good for hair loss and alopecia, and you can expect results within 30 days. This stuff works, y'all. I think I mentioned to y'all when I did that favorites video that I used this to grow in a bald spot. What I really like about this product is that it's not an actual oil. It has more of a watery consistency, so I don't have to worry about like oil just sitting on my scalp when I use a product like this. This absorbs very easily. It does not cause flaking or buildup or anything like that. I could use this daily without any issues, and it works. I believe I got this for like around $14 or $15. I have seen this sold at Target. I've seen it at Walmart. Ulta has it. So I'll be sure to leave a link if you want to check it out. 100% recommend this. This is my last bottle, but I am going to be repurchasing another one because it's good. It works. And I feel like it's a good product to just have around, like, because who knows what kind of hair mishap I might have. And I just feel like it's a good product to just have in my collection, especially now that I'm wearing wigs more. I'm definitely going to be using this, you know, like around my edges just to make sure we ain't doing no damage with this protective style. So highly recommend these drops. The last 3 products are oils. 2 of them are an oil blend, and the last one is just an essential oil. So that essential oil is just good old peppermint oil. This is from Sun Essential Oils. I got this from Amazon, and I did get this with the purpose of, you know, just adding a couple drops of this to like pre-poos or deep conditioners when I feel like I need a good little scalp stimulation, or I just want that little tingly feeling. I do add a couple drops of this to various products. I also use this when I do my Ayurvedic pre-poo oil. I don't really have anything bad to say about this brand. This is my first time using this brand. It's 100% pure peppermint oil, so nothing added to it. So I like it because of that. I have no idea how much I paid for this because it's so long since I bought this, but it lasted a long time. This was 4 ounces, and I know that this lasted me over a year. So I do think that this is a brand that I would repurchase. I probably will end up getting this same exact bottle if I can find it again on Amazon. And if I can find it, I'll leave a link for it in my description box. The next oil I've also mentioned on my channel, especially when it comes to empties, and I use this oil for a pre-poo as well. This is the Wild Growth oil, the one in the yellow. I have talked about this several times, so I'm not going to go into detail. Just know that it works. It's great for a pre-poo, and your girl is going to buy this forever. As long as I'm continuing to do my hot oil Ayurvedic treatments, this is going to be one in my stash because I always add this one to that little mixture, and I just really like this oil. And the last oil blend that I have comes from Soultanicals. This is their Bloom Super Potent Healthy Hair Growth Oil. It has a lot of organic herbs in, like rosemary, horsetail, dandelion root. There's cayenne pepper, fenugreek, moringa, provitamin B5, green tea, nettle, garlic oil, ginger, bringrage, onion, black seed, ginseng, biotin. It's packed with amazing ingredients. So this is another one of those oils that I pretty much only use on my scalp, not on the length of my hair. And typically when I'm using this, it's going to be in that pre-poo treatment that I talk about. So I really do like this oil. This is another one that took me a while to get through because you really only need a few drops of this. It's very potent, so you only need a few drops. It even comes with like the little herbs and roots and stuff in here, so that's how you know it's good and actually from the earth and stuff, if that's something you care about. Not sure if it's in stock right now or not because you just never really know with Soultanicals. Definitely recommend this oil. This is a definite repurchase whenever I'm ready to do another Soultanicals order because I'm still waiting on my Black Friday order. Here we are about to be in 2023. I feel a ways about that, but yeah. So whenever I decide to do another Soultanicals order, this will be one that I include, but that probably ain't gonna be no time soon because I'm still waiting on my things from November. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, give her a thumbs up because those really do help my channel out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one.